To register for the 2022 free virtual summer camp for Stride Esports, first you'll need to head to www.playtolearn.gg. There you will find different categories to register for: video game design ages 13 to 18, esports skill classes ages 13 to 18, Minecraft design ages 8 to 12, esports skill classes ages 8 to 12. Once you've selected the program you're interested in, click the Sign Up box to register. Fill out all the necessary information in the registration field. Once done, click Register and send verification email. If you or your player are under the age of 13, you'll need to enter a parent email to receive a follow-up email that contains all under 13 consent terms. Please review all the terms of use and privacy policy at your own pace. Once you have read through that email, click Submit Consent. After, your account is now fully created. Next, you can start to enroll in the events you are interested in. Just scroll down until you see the event you're interested in and click Join. If you do not have a team created, you can automatically create one and join the event. Now you are all set for the Stride Esports Summer Camp. Good luck and have fun. If you have any questions, email us at strideesports@k12.com.